In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magnific AI Desktop. We'll start by getting comfortable with the workspace, then create a character so you can see the full flow in action. First, open Magnific. From the home view, you'll see the core tools laid out and a clear overview of what you can access. On the left sidebar, click Search to quickly locate assets, projects, or items across your workspace. This is great when your library grows and you need to jump straight to what matters. Next, select Stock on the left. Stock provides ready-made resources you can incorporate into your work, which is helpful for brainstorming or filling gaps without starting from scratch. After that, open Explore. Explore highlights examples and inspiration, giving you ideas for styles and setups you might want to try. Then head to Projects. This is your organized hub for active work. Keep related files together so collaboration and versioning stay tidy. Now, go to Library. The library is your collection of reusable building blocks. For this walkthrough, choose Characters and click Create to start a new one. You'll land on the Details section. Give your character a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find later. Specify gender if it's important to your use case or voice selection. Click Select a Voice to open the voice picker, listen through options if available, and choose the one that best fits your character's tone. You can add a description to capture traits, backstory, or usage notes. This is optional but helpful for consistency across projects. Use Available in Projects to control where this character shows up, keeping your workspace focused. Undershare with people, set access for collaborators when you're working as a team. Next, move to References. Click Select, then either upload media or choose an existing image from your library to guide the character's look and feel. When you've made your choice, click Add to attach it. When everything looks right, finish by clicking Create Character. You've just navigated the main areas: Home, Search, Stock, Explore, Projects, and Library, and built a character with clear details, the right voice, and solid references.